How to make money with traffic nomads. Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video we will discuss about traffic nomads and how this self-service advertising network works, some pros and some cons, some things about their conditions, payments, and many more important subjects about traffic nomads advertising network. So if you consider that this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. So let's get started. So first of all, what is Traffic Nomads? Traffic Nomads is a self-service advertisement network. This network is from Supermoba trademark. It claims itself to be the world's first trademark. It claims itself to be the world's first nomad type company. This company's headquarters is located at Funchal City in Madeira region of Portugal. It is governed by Portuguese laws. So how to join? To join as a publisher, users need to click on the register button or sign up button. This will lead them to the registration page. There are two types to create an account, which is individual or company. Only simple information has to be approved to join as affiliate. The user has to choose affiliate from bottom of homepage and provide email of how-to information about promoting the network. And now how it works. This network helps to monetize the traffic, but it also requires understanding of special techniques. Their ad format on this network offers 6 popular formats for advertising. These are in-page notifications, push notifications, calendar ads, pop ads, banners, and also native ads. Different verticals are supported in this network. Most popular are dating, lead gen, crypto, casino, e-commerce, VAS, finance, Nutra, games, apps, utilities, sweepstakes, adult, and service. Adult ads are not available for in-page format. The network supports all regions but also allows advertisers to set their targets, so the region always depends on advertisers. This network provides 24/7 support and also have blog feature where users are able to read about the network. And now, what you're all waiting for, the revenue. Affiliates earn their commission on the basis of CPC, which is cost per click method. Under this, affiliate will earn for every click on the advert served on their site. The pop formats also support CPM method. There is no referral program mentioned. However, this network has a separate affiliate program where anyone is able to promote the network on any desired channel. Now, the minimum transferable amount is $50 for the payments. Network use wire transfer, credit card, and also PayPal payment processor as payment gateways. Using wire transfers as a method of payout also requires uploading payment proof. Users from EU region need VAT or 22% tax will be charged on them. Affiliates also get paid via Paxum, and users are free to contact support if they want any other method to get paid, like capitals, for example. All payments are issued at monthly basis and at the end of the month. And now let's take a look on their website here. If we go to home, we will see this page right here. So like I said in the beginning, if you want to register, just click here and you can choose between advertisers and publishers, of course. if you go to advertisers, you can choose an account type. So you can choose between company and individual. Attention, in accordance with current standards in Portugal, like I said, a 22% value added tax is applied to all individual accounts from EU countries. If you go to company, there is no such thing. You can add your company name, your email, your account manager name, your password, and also your Skype. And after that, you have to agree with their terms and conditions, and also agree to receive Traffic Nomads newsletter and updates if you like. And if you are an individual, you just have to add your name, your email, your password, and your Skype. And you are ready to go. Just click on register now. Then we can go to volumes. And here you will see that these are the hottest GEOs. So if you want to start your campaign, just click here. And now if we go to verticals, here you can see their client verticals and reviews. A review from Sebastian, Morales, Christian, and Jason also. And there are many more reviews if you want to check those. And now if you go to tools, this is a self-service platform, so you can have access to all campaigns, multiple KPIs, filter campaigns, and you can download Excel. You will also have pause and restart zones, pause and restart ads, and set bid per zone and set bid per campaign. And if you want to contact this advertising network, you have to add your email here, and then you have to add your message, and you can then send your message to them, and they will answer to you as quickly as possible. Go to blog if you want to check more about them, about Traffic Nomads. Here is their mission. And if you have some questions, we can go here to most answered questions and most asked questions. So if you are interested in what type of ad formats are available, just click here, and here you will get the answer. They have push notifications, in-page notifications, POPs model, which is CPC, CPM, or CPA, calendar, banners, and native. They also have for mobile, desktop, and tablet. If you are interested in the second question, here you can see the different type of formats and how you can use them, a detailed description for each ad. For example, push notifications, there are small message windows and they appear on the user's screen, and if you have a PC, mobile, and tablet, it also works, and even when they are not browsing the web, which is really cool. Push services are based on some preference information and in advance, which makes this format much more trusted by the users. And also the most important, this is a format with much higher CTR rates and site interactions. Here are the advantages: higher CTR available for mobile and desktop devices, highly effective non-browsing monetization, and permission-based advertising format. Top verticals, like I said, they have for dating, crypto, lead gen, finance, casino, service, games, and VAS. If you are wondering when you should use push notifications, so this format is recommended for all kind of formats, and any of the verticals listed above are really great for in this format. They also have a really nice description for in-page push and when you should use In-page push notifications, pops are the new browser windows or tabs, and those are really cool. Also, they have calendar and banner. If you are curious advantages, you can see them here for native also, and so on. If you still have some questions about Traffic Nomads, like I said, you can go ahead and ask them, and you can also comment in the comment section down below of my video, and I'll make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible and help you out with everything that you want to know, and I can help you get started and make money with this advertising network, self-service advertising network. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting daily more ways of how you can make money online. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.